Hey, what's going on guys? Nick here from Metalogic Design, and today we're going to go through how to create an inner page on our website that is SEO focused using ChatGPT. So this is for all of those that are beginners of SEO, need a place to start. This is a really good way to kind of get those inner pages optimized for Google, Bing, and other search engines. So if you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe already. Please like the video, and let's go ahead and get right into it. So right here is a website we're looking on for a lawyer friend of ours, and we're going to focus on creating a inner page for uncontested divorce. So if you have not seen any of our videos in terms of keyword research, what we're going to do real quickly is use the Google Keyword Planner and also use SEMrush. I'll link those videos in the description below for you, but real quick, we'll give a refresher. So in Keyword Planner, to get to Keyword Planner, you go on the left side to Tools, Keyword Planner, and then click Discover New Ideas. And from here, you type out keywords, products, or services that are related to your business as you see here. So we're going to go ahead and do uncontested divorce. And then we'll go ahead and get results for video's sake. You can also use your website to kind of get keywords. So we'll go to results, and we can see here keywords on the left-hand side, average monthly searches. And since this is SEO, we're more focused on competition. But if you are using this for Google, what you would use is the top of page bid and top of page bid high range to kind of get a estimate of where your average cost per click should be. So we can see here average or uncontested divorce lawyers near me. That sounds good. I tend to avoid inexpensive or cheap. That kind of gives your service kind of an undesirable connotation. So we like this keyword here. Let's go ahead and see what SEMrush has. Okay, so here we are in SEMrush. Let's go ahead and look up uncontested divorce in the keyword magic tool and see what SEMrush has to offer here. So under uncontested divorce, we've gone ahead and done broad match. What we're looking for is the keyword, the volume, and the keyword difficulty. The intent as well, we want it to be commercial or transactional. Intent is more so people trying to find the answer to a question, which is really good for blogs. So we're looking for uncontested divorce lawyer. A little difficult here. Again, this is a brand new site with not much backbone behind it, so we need something that would be easier to look up, and we have uncontested divorce attorney near me, and that matches up right with what we have for Google Keyword Planner. So let's go ahead, hop into ChatGPT, and then we can start building out this inner page. So now here we are in ChatGPT, and we're going to use this prompt right here in order to get our SEO focused content. So I said, I'm creating a website for a law firm in Miami, Florida, named Leal Law, and I want you to create SEO focused content on an inner page focusing on the keyword that we looked up using the Keyword Planner and SEMrush and other related keywords. Also, let me know what heading tags to use with each heading. So let's go ahead, enter, and see what ChatGPT spews out for us. So now we have some SEO focused content, essentially revolving around what we looked up on Keyword Planner and SEMrush. I'm going to go ahead and put this into the inner page, and then we're going to use Yoast to see just how well of a job ChatGPT did, and then how we can improve upon this. So give me 1 second here, and I'll be right back. Okay, so we've gone ahead and added all of the content that ChatGPT spat out to us here. Let's go ahead and see what Yoast has to say about this. So let's go back to the backend of our website here, and let's download Yoast. So go to plugins, add new plugin, and you're going to search up Yoast SEO. And it's going to be this one right here by Team Yoast. Install now. Activate. Okay, let's go back to the page, and in the back end here, you don't want to go to the front end. So we were working on uncontested divorce. Let's click edit. And now we have on the bottom here, Yoast SEO. So remember our focus keyword or key phrase was uncontested divorce attorney near me. Put that here. Let's see what Yoast has to say. So you're gonna go ahead and do this drop down. So improvements we can make are outbound links, the keyword phrase on the introduction, it's not in the SEO title, and the meta description length. So what we can do here, let's go bottom to top. So meta description length. So let's go back to ChatGPT. If I can get it on over here. There we go. So I'll say, for this web page, please create the metadata. Okay, so ChatGPT spit out this meta description here. Let's go ahead and put that into Yoast. So I already know for a fact that it's going to be too long. I know Yoast is 160, 180 character limit. So what I did is I went ahead and made a meta description that would fit within their standards. So if you want to, you can go ahead and go back to ChatGPT and ask them to shorten the meta description length, or you can kind of use this how I did and kind of mix and match the words to make something like this. So now you've gone ahead and made that improvement. Let's go ahead and do keyword and SEO title. So here's our title right here. If you leave it alone, it's just going to use the tags that are found here. So the title is going to be the same title as right here, page, separator, site title. What we're going to use is this meta title right here that Yoast has given us. Go back to the page. Let's get rid of this stuff here. Uncontested vault attorney near me. Let's see. There we go. So now we have the SEO title, the slug, meta description. Yoast is giving us the green light here. The only two things left are putting the key phrase in the introduction and outbound links. So I've actually gone ahead and already tried playing around with it, and for some reason, no matter what I do, Yoast is not giving me the green light. Just so you know, you want it to be within the first text paragraph, and you want to have your keyword phrase somewhere in there. I know this text doesn't make the most sense. I'll fix it later, but just for video's sake, you want to have it in there. And then the next thing is outbound links. So outbound links are very simple. What they do, or what they are, is within the text or within the page itself, what you're going to do is have an anchor text. So contact the law firm. What you would do is you would grab the text and add a link to the contact us page. So I put contact and it would link there for people to click on. I haven't made the contact us page, but that's what you would do. So anywhere and where you can kind of link to other pages using this anchor text, you would do that. And then this right here would turn green. The only other improvements we could make are adding alt tags to our images. So what alt tags are just tags that you would add to any images found within your website. So you go to your image. Let's see if I can go to our media library here. Yep. So you go to alt text and then you would describe the image that is on the website. So I would go uncontested divorce papers. Publish it, and then this right here would change to green. So that is it for the video, guys. I know it's just kind of a rudimentary example of how we can do this with ChatGPT, but for those who are not familiar with SEO or how it works, this is a great place to start. You use ChatGPT, or should I say use Google Ads and Google Keyword Planner or SEMrush, or whatever keyword planner you have, and then you go to ChatGPT and then double check your work using Yoast. That is the best way for beginners to start optimizing their pages and getting seen on Google. Again, guys, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, like the video, and until next week, guys, I will see you later.